welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna do a cooking video. So I'm gonna show you what I'm going with around here. So I'm gonna show you everything. So we're in the kitchen. So what I have here is these. So I have a jerk, season, Maggi. I have a fish season. I have ketchup. And I want sugar. So I'm gonna make jerk sauce, and I have fish them here. So I'll show you. I have fish them here. I put a little season on it already. That was Maggi all purpose. And some have your coconut milk and so forth. But today I'm gonna use the canned peas. So I'm gonna set on pots and season it with me. I'm gonna put it in oven jerk fish me I do. So I know. So now I'm just stay tuned and watch. So I use a spoon to take out the season. I grab it on the fish them. And I can put all I want. So now instead of the chicken, I use about the same all purpose. Everybody cook when they want to cook. So the same all purpose, you know. I'm gonna put look at this. Just look good. I think I'm gonna put look at my season on this up. I'm gonna wash my hand and get one different spoon. Like that. Alright. Let's see what I'm going. That's it now. This is. So I'm gonna make this now. Wash off back my hand, make it potato salad. So I can put on the potato mash on. So here we have them. And that's some water. Come on, wash them and everything. So see the stove here, I'm gonna add them to the pot. Oops. They already prepared the water. So I'm gonna put on this as well. So all need wait. All need wait like this. I put it in there. I don't know it looks so. And there's the metal gonna go on there. Just wash it and come back. Everybody knows things and most of the peas them already cook. So I get this into like this. So I got the little boy something else. So this is what everything look like. So I'm gonna season up the pot. So I'm putting my butter, everything in it already. So maybe because my use one hand, make I let the stove here. Put on the mashed put on the potato. So I'm gonna wash rice now for put in there. No. Before I put in the rice here, I'm gonna put in the coconut milk first, make it boil. Because I know say the peas cook already. And that's when I gas. I put in the coconut milk first. So now I have the coconut milk. I mix it. I mix it. And then I finish mixing now. I'm gonna add it in the pot. Come here for a phone. So I'm adding the coconut milk. Make it go and boil a little. But in the meantime, I wash your rice. Since the milk go right there. So, right now, I'm going to wash your rice. So, let's wash the rice. So. I'm going to wash the rice. Let's never show more about it. Wash the rice all full time. The rice here. Now I'm washing, so put them here aside. So see the fish here. I like this. The oval. I put the fish them in this here. So I put the fish them in this. I'm going to show them how I make that one boil and put them aside. Put a cup of salt as well. So I'm going to put them here in this here. So go on also. So I'm going to put them in there. I'll put the bigger one there. But just going to use them here because the other little one can't roll. I'm going to wash my hand. Let me get what that milk one boil a little and put the rice in. I shouldn't have put it in it. So now I'm putting in the fish. So when I get a little time, I'm gonna put in the rice. Alright. I'm gonna show them wash it so see if it in one on one see. My mashed potato. And stay tuned for when I do the sauce. Make sure when I do the sauce, I make the sauce. And the ending. So stay tuned. So now guys, see how everything going. So my rice are going to cook down. So then I'm sure that in that old my one. So then they're going there. I'm gonna go for my gas. I just want to sneak peek. So and stay tuned for the time I do the sauce. I just clean the kitchen, wash up everything. So see it's good. So and stay tuned for the time I do the sauce. So guys, I just done mash this. So now I'm gonna quite finish, but make sure what one over here. So for now, all I need is this and water. Make it sauce or salt. So yeah, I'm gonna use them. This so I'm gonna wash them again. Huh? But I also catch your water. Put it here in case. And also it here. So I'm gonna get one new spoon. But first, just want to clean the water in this. But first, First thing I put in the pot are this ketchup, then the jerk sauce. I already shown you the jerk sauce, so I place in it. So so I'm gonna add in the water. I'm gonna want a heap of gravy. So just the morning, you have to go and simmer. So I want it to stick together, so I put on a little bit of salt in there. See salt here. So I put on a little bit in it. I make it go and like marinate, you know. So sometimes if you want more ketchup and you feel like you want more ketchup, you can put it in. But for me, I don't really like ketchup, so just this here. So that. Somebody already mixed some juice in the fridge. So this there's one bubble. Rice a steam and everything. I'll show you. See there? Yeah. Somebody also try a thing, you know. So make it sauce one boil. So I'm gonna check what I want to finish. See fish them are go on with them thing. Like first me I do this way now. First me I do jerk fish by myself, so give them little more minutes. But I kind of like so see. So rice and steam. So I make the sauce. So just that's all I need, and when you taste it, and you can put anything. I don't want anything that like more ketchup in case I don't want no more. So next time I come back now, the food, I'm gonna show you everything done. So stay tuned. So the finishing look now. Everything done. So the sauce there. I say rice there. I'll show you. What we're gonna drink it with. So I'm gonna make apple and cucumber. So apple and cucumber juice this year, and this year rum punch. So that's what we're gonna drink with. So that. So if you want more videos, if you want to see more videos, so if you want to see more videos like this, and then tell me what cucumber, anything.